Hey guys, welcome to 01 channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Python 3.8.2, which is the latest stable version of Python for 2020 on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. The first and foremost step is to download Python. To do that, simply open a browser window. For me, I'm gonna use Opera. Since it is my default browser, you can use any other browser that you like. For example, if you have a Windows 10 operating system, you can use Edge. Just use your favorite browser. Click on the browser icon. Wait until the browser opens up, and then go to the search bar and write down Python, and then hit enter. Once the search is over, at the top of the search results, you will find the official site to download Python, that is python.org. Just go to welcome to python.org link and click on it. Once you've downloaded the page, go to the downloads button in the middle of the screen and hover over it with your cursor. As you can see here, you have all the options for downloading Python. For example, you can download Python for Windows, or for macOS, or for any other platforms. For the sake of this video, we're just gonna download it for Windows. So, click on the Windows option. Here, we have all the Python releases for Windows. Just scroll down a little bit, because we're gonna download the latest stable version of Python, that is Python 3.8.2, and it cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. Go to the executable installer. Here we have this Windows x86 64 executable installer, and this executable installer is for a 64-bit machine. And the other executable installer is Windows x86 executable installer for a 32-bit machine. To know which one of these to download, just go back to your desktop and right-click on the PC icon and go to Properties. As you can see here, the system type is 32-bit operating system. You might find it here a 64-bit. Just go back to your browser. And if you have a 64-bit machine, you're gonna download this executable installer. That is Windows x86 64 executable installer. But if you have a 32-bit machine, you have to download Windows 86 executable installer. Just click on the link. A window will pop up. Here you're gonna choose where you wanna download your Python and then hit save. It's gonna take a couple of minutes if you have a slow internet connection. Once the download is complete, just open the folder where you downloaded your Python executable installer. Now that we have Python downloaded on our machine, just double-click the installer to start the installation. The Install Python 3.8.2 32-bit window will pop up. The first choice is Install Now with the default installation location, and it includes IDLE, pipe, and some documentation. But if you want to install Python somewhere else, you can customize the installation and choose the location and the features that you want. Make sure to check at Python 3.8 to pass, so Python can be added to environment variables and you can exit from the CMD. And then click on the Install Now option since we don't want to change the location of installing Python. When run, a user account control pop-up window might appear. I could not record it, but just click the Yes button. A new Python setup pop-up window will appear, with a setup progress message and a progress bar, indicating the start of the installation process. During installation, it will show various components it is installing. Once the installation is over, you will see a setup was successful window, and you have here some online tutorials and documentation in case you want to check them out. Just click the close button for now. To verify if the Python installation is successful, go to the start menu and enter simply edit. You will find it Python 3.8 32-bit IDLE. Just click on it. You can start coding in Python using this IDLE or integrated development environment. Let's start with simple instructions. Just type print hello world. And then hit enter. As you can see here, hello world is displayed, so everything is working just fine. Another example. Type in 3 plus 4. And then hit enter. The result is 7. Another operation. 10 plus 2. And the result is 12. So, it is working. Now you have Python installed on your Windows 10 operating system. Congrats!